Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be doing the unboxing and the quick review of this Boat Rugby Bluetooth speaker. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the box of the speaker, and as you can see the packaging is really nice. At the back you get some quick specs like dual speakers for stereo, bass and non-stop playback for up to 8 hours. So coming to the speaker itself, this is blue variant and you can see the unique design. It contains two speakers of 5 watt each. At the bottom you get the boat branding, and at the top you get 4 buttons. On the left side of the speaker you get this microphone, the USB cable charger port and the aux cable port.
Ready. Discovering.
So guys, this is an audio sample from the speaker so that you get a fair idea of how this speaker performs.
थोड़ी जही पी के सेट जिया होके थोड़ी जही पी के सेट जिया होके गल्ला करे तेरियां ओ मुंडा डाउन डाउन लाਉਂਦਾ ਗੇੜੀਆਂ डाउन डाउन ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਗੇੜੀਆਂ डाउन डाउन ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਗੇੜੀਆਂ डाउन डाउन ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਗੇੜੀਆਂ
So coming to my opinion, the speaker has a really nice build quality as well as the sound and bass quality. If you are a bass lover, you will definitely love this speaker as no speaker in this price range gives this amount of bass. If you want to buy this speaker, I will give a direct link in the description box below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.